D to the I to the N E O. Dineo.
Hey there, my name is Dineo and thank you for tuning in. Today's tutorial, I will show you how to achieve these simple Marley hair inspired buns. So, if you're interested to see how I achieve these, keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Ciao! You'll need Marley hair, bobby pins, Afro pick, rat tail comb and some ribbons. Start off by parting your hair into two. Comb your hair and tie with a ribbon. Remember to tuck your hair ends in the ribbon to make the Marley hair installation easier. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. If you want to see how I stretch my hair without any heat, then check out my banding method tutorial. Link is on the top right hand corner. I used about 4 pieces of Marley hair on each side. Take a ribbon, place it under the Marley hair and loop it to create a knot. Tie the Marley hair around your hair buns. To create the Marley buns, continuously tie the strands around your hair buns. Do you want another Marley hair inspired look? Well, check out my How to High Bun on Short 4C hair. Link is on the top right hand corner. Secure the buns with some bobby pins. Repeat the same procedure on the other bun. Highly optional, but you can add some hair accessories to give your buns, a little character, a little spice. Another optional step, some edges, so if it's not your thing, then you don't have to do this, girl. And there you have it, how to achieve Marley hair inspired buns.
So I didn't use any Eco Styler gel for this hairstyle because I actually want to do a protective hairstyle after rocking this look. But you are more than welcome to use styling gel if you desire.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please support me by doing so. Lastly, don't forget to like, comment and share. Ciao!